This video demonstration showcases our advanced steel pipe CNC punching machine, a highly adaptable system meticulously engineered to meet the diverse needs in the field of stainless steel processing. The equipment is capable of accurately performing punching operations of various specifications. More importantly, it can seamlessly adapt to stainless steel pipes of different diameters, ensuring that you achieve stable and precise processing results in all types of processing scenarios. Next, let's take a look at its core advantages. Automated feeding mechanism. It can significantly streamline the entire production process, reduce manual intervention, and enhance operational continuity. Multi-angular punching function. It effectively improves processing efficiency while ensuring processing precision. These two core functions work in synergy. They not only optimize production efficiency, but also strictly adhere to the highest standards of quality control requirements, providing strong support for your production process. If your processing needs involve large diameter pipes or thick-walled materials, there is no need to worry. Our team can provide customization services. Whether it comes to the maximum applicable pipe diameter or material thickness, we can configure the equipment according to your specific needs, ensuring that the equipment perfectly matches your unique production parameters.
This is our stainless steel tube, stainless steel tube. All punching with different angle, different hole distance punching. This is a steel tube hole punching. With a much thick wall thickness. It is 3.0 millimeter.